Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, as always, a warm welcome. So in today's video we are going to make Yam Punch, Yam Salad, and or Yam Delight. But before we jump into that, we are going to highlight some health facts for yams. So the first thing we'll be making is our yam salad, and we start off by peeling and dicing 2 cups of yam. Then we'll be cooking our yams in boiling salt water. Once our yams are cooked, we then add our mixed vegetables and strain. Then we add our onions, garlic, sweet peppers, sugar, and a pinch of black pepper. Then we stir and put this aside to cool. Once our yam mixture is completely cool, we then add our mayonnaise and mix until all our yams are cooked. And there you have it, our delicious yam salad. Super delicious. Up next is our Yam Delight. And we start off by peeling and dicing 2 cups of yam. Then we cook our yams in salt water as well. And now we're going to mash our yams while we gradually add our coconut milk. So guys, we want our yams to be soft and creamy. Then we're going to add some cheese. Our next step is to then add our batter to our baking pan. And to top it off, we're going to sprinkle with cheese and breadcrumbs. And now it's time for us to bake our Yam Delight at 185 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. And there you have it, our delicious Yam Delight. Now it's time to prepare our Yam Punch. And as always, we start off by peeling, dicing, and cooking our yams. These are all the ingredients you will need. Now we're going to add all our ingredients to our blender and blend until we have a soft texture. guys, our Yam Punch. So delicious. Mmm.